So we think also about leading and following, that the man starts an idea and the woman completes the idea. That's what we think. For example, when we do a sandwich and the woman goes with her leg over the man's leg. In this moment, I don't think that I have to bring the woman to me. So I think I have to just start the movement, and she completes the movement, and she can make embellishments, and she can make it longer, and she can do actually whatever she wants. But always finishing or completing the idea that the man is starting. We don't think that the leading should be from the beginning to the end of the movement, but just only the beginning of the movement, and she should complete. That's what we think, because this gives her also more freedom to move as she wants to move, to work also on her movement's quality. This is something we talk a lot about. All these topics we're talking about in the last course we did, Leading and Following Secrets, where we explain this concept, because we are sure that the woman can move much better on her own than I can do it step by step. No, so that there we talk about the difference between leading and following, or between following and dancing. So what is she doing? Is she only following everything while I'm leading, or I am starting the movement and she's dancing the pattern till the end, and maybe I interrupt or whatever? But she should feel comfortable with the dance. She should feel confident. She should feel sure when dancing, and not waiting until I lead her to every single step.
For those of you who have been dancing tango for years, but you feel that you can't quite capture the essence of it and step up to the next level, still struggling to communicate in the language of tango. And for those of you that are just at the beginning of your tango journey, maybe not even taken a class yet because it's intimidating and you are not sure if it is for you. Never before has this ensemble of tango experts came together to reveal the unique and ever-changing thought process behind teaching, learning, sharing, and evolving Argentine tango. The Tango Secrets Summit will give you a glimpse into full understanding. It will allow you to attain unattainable, even if just for a second.